Hi everyone, welcome back to Galentine, Ghoulentine, Valentine. I hope you all are doing great. Today we are going to be doing a hopefully fun card for the big roommate. So this will be a Valentine. I am having some struggles right now with my embossing situation. As you all know, I do not like it that much, and maybe that's why subconsciously I know that it's a problem, right? I'm going to use this Stampabilities embossing pad. I've used it before, not much luck. I'm also going to use the embossing gun instead of the heating tool. Crafty Cat Incorporated told me there was a difference. She took a class, and the instructor told her that there is a difference between heating guns and embossing, heating tool and embossing tool. So I pulled out the embossing tool. Now I don't know if I just really am that horrible at embossing or not, but I'll tell you all, the struggle is real. So you saw me use the anti-static thingamajiggy already. I feel like Cat in the Hat. Let's see. All right. I don't feel like that was wet enough. Then I think I got it upside down. So let me just fix that really quickly. Okay, so I went ahead and re-inked it, and it was fairly good on the first one. So I am just paranoid. And this, I'm just gonna get that off, and I'm gonna tap very light, because I don't want to tap off the embossing. So I'm gonna put that to the side really quickly and pour this back in. This is the Martha Stewart Antique Gold. Not that it really matters, because Brandy, I think I'm coming to the conclusion that I am better just using some plain ink or color ink. But we're going to see. We're going to see. And maybe what I'm expecting is not the actual results that you're supposed to get anyway. And I'm expecting something else. Maybe my expectations are exceeding the actual outcome that should be the actual outcome. So I'm going to heat up my heating gun some. Everything looks pretty good. And we're going to go for it. Okay, this one I love the most, okay? All right, so I had already embossed this thing 3 times ahead before, and I made a video, and it was just going downhill quickly, going downhill. So I'm gonna give it one more chance, because I think I only had 4 of these cut out, maybe 5. And so you all see the results. I like it. Now, I'm not sure if, and you can see where I did the other side, I think. Yep, because I even stamped it backwards. But I think it's supposed to be like a little bit raised, so maybe this is better. I don't know. You know, I've watched multiple embossing videos, and I'm just not sure. There's some things that, you know, the community can do so fabulously, and then I'm like, how did they do that? So I want to use this stamp. It says you're my knight in shining armor. And also like this lady. So we'll see what happens. Okay, so we got a lot going on right now. So I stamped it out, and it came out very pretty. Love this. Love this. I won't even discuss what I was thinking. Then I have this shiny sheet right here, and this paper is from Do It Yourself Jot brand 20, and they don't always have it in stock from what I've noticed, so you got to just, you know, be mindful of that. I also, don't ask me why, okay? I just want to, I don't know. And so then I embossed this. And now what I want to try to do is take this. Oh yeah, it works. I'm just going to take this and rub it over the raised portion of the embossing. And now we have gold hearts. I hope this makes sense to you all. I only embossed one heart, so hopefully it works out great for us. If not, I'll have to go back and emboss another one, but I think it's going to be fine. I was looking, I was like, Brandy, don't tell me all you have is silver and you've embossed in gold. That would suck, right? All right, so here we are. All right. Okay, so this is the plan. I embossed this too. I was like, why not? Take a walk on the wild side. We're going to put this on here. I don't know why I want to put that on there. I think I may need to get another color. Something else. So we're going to do this. I'm going to cut this out. I don't know what shape. I don't know what shape. I could try and do a heart, but you know what? Let's see. These are the same size. So I could cut it out in a little heart shaped something, but I'm not going to do that. Anyway, I'm just going to cut it out in a square. Be safe, you know. And we'll be done. I'm going to embellish it up some, and then we'll be done. Let me cut this out. All right, so go ahead. Let's go ahead and glue some of this stuff down. Tape it down. And I wanted to use this page because it's very thin, and it's very thin, and I think that it will give this some support because this is equally thin. So in my head, I was like, yeah, I can put this down and it'll work out great for me. I'm going to try this tape runner. This tape runner has not been working for me, just so you all know. It sticks to my finger and nothing else, so I don't know what's up with that. I watched, no, not I watched. Did I watch? No, I can't remember what I was going to say. So we went to the restaurant yesterday called LA Crawfish, and it was our first time going. I never heard of it. I really don't eat out that much, and where I do eat is fast food, and it's Chick-fil-A because it's good. It's so yummy. But we went there, and he said it was for my Valentine's present because he won't be here for Valentine's Day. I can't recall, but maybe once since we've been in a real relationship. We've been knowing each other for forever, but a committed relationship where I actually say yes, we're in a relationship, not, oh, that's just my friend. We've only probably been together one time for Valentine's Day. Once. It's kind of sucky, but bills got to get paid. Baby need clothes and food and all that stuff, so it's all good, I suppose. I'm going to use some not wet glue, foam on here because I want to pop these up a little bit. And I just want to give this little, I like that. I love it. I'm going to turn it over though because that glare can be annoying. So go ahead and get some of these foam not dots. I don't know why I always call them dots, but I'll tell y'all what, I need to go to Dollar Tree because I am on my last roll. I need some more. And I think the black, because it is for a guy, it is a male card. I think the odd colors and stuff, oh, geez Louise. Anyway, I was saying, I think the, just the odd randomness is very us. So I think it's going to be cool. Very, very cool. Let's go ahead and turn this back over. I do apologize for that hopefully I can counter some of it for you all. Yep. I love this, whatever that technique is. I love it. So I want to put, I need a spot right there. Let's see. Oh my goodness. I have been in pain now for a few days, and it's so annoying. Very, very annoying. And there's nothing I can really do about the pain besides take medicine. And I've been doing that, so don't worry. I have been taking medication for it. I think I'm gonna pop this one up again. I think I'm gonna pop it up twice. Let's see. All right. So I'm gonna put this right here. Oh, come on, Brandon, get it together. I'll put it right here. So I need one there. Do I need one? Yep, I need one at the top and two at the bottom. So I need one here because it's already going to be popped up right there off of the heart. And I need two right at the bottom. So let me show you what I'm talking about. I have one here and two here. So one at the top. And two right there. So anyway, we went to LA Crawfish. It's very popular in Houston, and they have opened up one here. And he asked me if I wanted to go, and I was like, I love seafood. I'm not sure if I've told you all that before. And I was like, yeah. And so, you know, for me, when I've never been somewhere, it's kind of overwhelming to decide on what I want. But I like pho or pho, however you pronounce it. I love it, love it, love it. All right, let's see if I did this right. Yep. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and put these. I want to put, I think some black jewels would be good. One. I love it. It's so cool. Two. Oh well, it's a cricket, but you know, it's the thought that counts, right? Three. I really want to go 1, 2, 3, and this is cricket as well, but the heart is off center. So that is that, and let's go ahead and do the inside really quickly. What in the world?